Yo, Sonny! What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. If you have shutters that are faded and you're thinking of replacing them, quick tip on how to make these things look brand new. Alright? All you need is a pressure washer. We got a little electric one there. Perfect for what I'm doing it. It's not too powerful. And that is the finished product. I'm going to show you what you do. Very simple. Plug your pressure washer in. I got this little gun here. It's from a Soper dispenser. It's nice. It's portable. We're running at about 1800 psi. And all you're going to do is just go over your shutter. Back and forth, nice and easy. And you can see it takes a layer of that fading off. When you come up the side. Through the frame, go around the framing. Save the middle for last. Then you go and do those small pieces back and forth. Take your time, go easy. You can see the difference. You can literally do one shutter within 3 to 4 minutes. See the difference? Old faded, new and improved. Alright, that's it. Now, if you're on the second story windows, I advise you take them down and do these on the ground. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! You in there, Sonny? Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video if this helped you.
Yes, Sonny.